What if your alarm didn't own you? What if your bank balance didn't depend on whether your boss liked you this week? And what if I told you right now that depending on your 9-to-5 paycheck is the riskiest thing you could be doing in today's world? Hey Freedom family, I'm Lexi and welcome to Lexi Money Moves, where we make money moves that set you free so you can design the life you actually want. If you're done surviving from paycheck to paycheck and you're ready to build what I call freedom money income that works for you, not the other way around, then this is your roadmap. And no, freedom money isn't about quitting your job tomorrow and hoping for the best. It's about designing income streams that give you options, income that lets you choose how you work, where you work, and why you work. Let's break down how to do that in 3 steps, no fluff, no hype, just a strategy you can actually start using this week. Step 1, break the outdated mindset. Let's get honest, most of us were taught that a full-time job equals financial security. But in 2025, that thinking is not just outdated, it's dangerous. Think about this just last year. Over 100,000 tech workers were laid off, many without warning, without benefits, and without any backup income. And that's not just tech, retail, healthcare, education. No industry is safe from volatility anymore. The truth is, your paycheck is not guaranteed. Your employer's loyalty is not guaranteed. And inflation, it's quietly eating into every dollar you earn. Security doesn't live in your salary, it lives in your skill set and your systems. This step is all about shifting from I work for money to I design my money. And that starts with one powerful belief. My income should come from more than one place. The average millionaire has 7 streams of income. But don't get overwhelmed, you only need one to start. One that works without asking for permission, which brings us nicely to step 2, build freedom money. Now that you've shifted your mindset, it's time to take action. There are 3 practical paths to start building income outside your 9-to-5. I call these your freedom money lanes. Pick one, go deep, stick with it for 6 months. Path 1, cash flow skills. Turn what you know into money, freelancing, virtual assisting, tutoring, social media management, graphic design, writing, whatever you're good at, someone is willing to pay for it. The world is hiring online, and you don't need a fancy degree, just value. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Contra, and even TikTok can help you build visibility and land your first few clients. And get this, even charging $25 per hour for 5 hours a week. That's $500 per month. That's rent, groceries, or your first investment. Not bad for using skills you already have. Path 2, digital assets. Build it once, earn over time. Digital assets are scalable products you can sell again and again. Think ebooks, templates, online courses, printables, and membership communities. If you've learned how to solve a problem, whether it's skincare, productivity, parenting, budgeting, someone is Googling that right now. Turn your knowledge into a product. Sell it on Etsy, Gumroad, Teachable, or directly to your audience. Here's the best part. You create it once, and it continues to earn while you sleep. Freedom money is about systems, and this is one of the smartest ones you can build. Path 3, income multipliers. Use your money to earn more money. This includes index funds, dividend-paying stocks, starter real estate deals, and high-yield savings ladders. Even small amounts like $25 a week when consistently invested can snowball into passive streams. This is where your existing income begins to work for you instead of disappearing into lifestyle creep. What matters isn't how much you start with, it's that you start. So what should you do next? Pick your lane. Commit for 6 months. Go deep, not wide. Chasing 5 side hustles equals no momentum. One focused income lane equals freedom faster. Step 3, build the system, not just the hustle. Now listen carefully, this part right here. This is where most people fail. Success doesn't come from motivation, it comes from systems. If you're relying on grind energy to make it work, you'll burn out in 3 weeks. What you need is an engine that runs, even when you're tired. So here's your freedom system in 3 parts. 1. Automate your money. Set up a freedom fund, a separate bank account named after your goal. Every week or month, auto-transfer a small portion, even if it's $20. Label it with purpose, like Freedom Build Fund, Buyback Time, or sabbatical savings. This creates discipline without decision fatigue. 2. Schedule your hustle. Block 3 to 5 hours per week for your income lane. Treat it like a part-time job. Put it in your calendar. No excuses. If you want freedom, this is where it begins. You're not trying something, you're building something. 3. Track small wins. Every Sunday, ask, what did I build? What did I learn? What did I earn? Progress is the best motivation, and even small wins stack fast. Now, here's the truth most people ignore. They start strong and quit fast. Why? Because they expect fast cash, instant results, viral success. But you're not most people. You're building something smarter, something more meaningful, income that buys your time back, that builds legacy, that creates options. And if you stick with it for just 6 focused months, no distractions, no panic pivots, I promise, you will never think about money the same way again. Your 9 to 5 doesn't have to be your forever, but freedom doesn't come from a lottery ticket or a quitting fantasy. It comes from one intentional move at a time. If you got value from this video, make sure to subscribe for weekly strategies to build your freedom fund, shift your money mindset, and design a life you don't need a vacation from. And let me know in the comments, what's your freedom lane? Freelancing, investing, digital products? Let's make money moves that set you free. I'm Lexi, and I'll see you in the next one.